Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is mainframe. Let's start it. Mainframe refers to a large, powerful computer used by organization to for critical applications such as first is processing, managing high volume transaction like banking and financial transaction. The second is data processing large data sets like news data or scientific research. The third is enterprise resource planning, ERP, running ERP software for managing business operation. Four is database management, managing large database for storing and retrieving data. Five is cloud computing, providing cloud service like infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS. Mainframe characterized first is high processing power. Mainframes can handle massive workload and high transaction volume. Second is reliability and availability. Mainframe are designed for continuous operation with bullet in redundancy and fill our capability. Third is security. Mainframe have robust security feature like encryption and access control. Four is a scalability. Mainframe can scale to meet growing demand, adding processing power and storage as needed. Five is capability. Mainframe support legacy system and application, ensuring continuity. Mainframe benefit: first is high performance, second is reliability and uptime, third is security and compliance, four is scalability and flexibility, five is cost effective. Mainframe challenges: first is complexity, second is skill requirements, specialized skills needed, third is cost, high upfront and maintenance cost. Four is legacy system modernization. Five is integration with newer technologies. Here are some more aspects for mainframe. First is mainframe architecture, a centralized architecture with a single processing unit, memory and storage. Second is mainframe operating systems such as Z and OS, Z and VM and Z and VSE, which manage mainframe resources and provide services. Third is mainframe programming language like COBOL, PL and I and assembler used for developing mainframe application. Four is mainframe database such as a DB2 and IMS, designed for large scale data management. Five is mainframe storage, high capacity storage solution like type libraries and disk storage. Uh, Six is mainframe networking, connecting mainframe to other storage system and network via protocols like TCP and IP and SNA. Seven is mainframe virtualization, using virtualization technologies to run multiple virtual machines on a single mainframe. On a single mainframe on a single mainframe. 8 is mainframe cloud deploying, mainframe resourcing and application in a cloud environment. 9 is mainframe modernization, updating mainframe application and infrastructure to modern standard. 10 is mainframe skills and training, addressing the need for specialized skills and training for mainframe personalized professional. Sorry. 11 is mainframe security and complex compliance, ensuring a mainframe security and compliance with regulation like GDPR and HIPAA.